dropped Tammy at the groomers, so it is close to my favorite thrift store, so we're going to have a look to see what they got. Not that I could buy anything. I can't buy anything, but we're going to have a look. So, I was a good girl. Did not buy any furniture, technically. I didn't buy a dresser. I almost bought a dresser. I almost bought a bedside. If they had two of them, they only had one. So if they had a second matching one, I definitely would have bought it. But I did get a few things. So once we get wherever we're going, I'm going to have to fix this because it's a bit wobbly. But I plan on decorating my workroom, and I'm going to be putting this in it. It is very boho style, but it was $19. It's like, it's dirty and it's woven, but I love it. From the thrift store I stopped. I just got these two little metal orb things that I got for my daughter. Actually, she has a little fairy garden, so I'm going to put some fairy lights in that. And just a cute little plate. I'm a sucker for all of these types of things. This is handmade by the lady that I bought it from. It's so rustic. I love it. I love it. And I love the colors. Perfect. And this bowl. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I also got, which was hers, she said this is a wedding gift. Years ago, she was like a little old lady. I guess she doesn't want it anymore. But I got this tray. It's so cool. All of this little knick-knacky stuff is going to be for my workroom. And then I got this really cool bottle. It was $1 from the thrift store. And I have a problem. I have a basket problem. I just have a massive problem. The handle is really wonky, but it was 50 cents, so I'll probably just take the handle off. I'm probably just going to use it to, I don't know, something. So, and then this was $3, another basket, because you can never have too many baskets. My husband might disagree, but and that's just what I think. And then this, it's not very exciting, but I think it is. This thing is so cool. It's made out of wood, and then the front is plastic, and it has 3. I will use this in my workroom for sure, but I love that it's made out of wood. Bye! Have fun! That's it. I didn't buy any furniture this time. Once we move and we get settled, I will take you to a thrift store around where we live, and then I will definitely be buying some furniture. I have to. Future videos. So, alright, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this thrifting video. This is a bonus video. I put these out because it relates back to my furniture flipping, because I go around to a lot of thrift stores, not just Marketplace, but a lot of thrift stores. And so I hope you enjoyed this. If you like furniture makeovers, then my regular uploads are on a Wednesday. I hope to see you on the next flip. Bye guys.